How to claim daily rewards in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, from the main screen or game lobby, look for the Lucky Wheel icon. To use the Lucky Wheel, you need to wait for a day after you use it. From here, tap on Spin and you will get rewards. Another way is to by tapping in the free coins box. This is usually displayed on the home screen or highlighted with the gift box symbol. Tap on Start Now and you will need to watch a short video to claim the reward. If you log in daily without missing a day, your rewards may increase over time, so make sure to check in every day. Once you claim the reward, it will be automatically added to your account balance. Now you know how to claim daily rewards in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.